Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you a way to make DIY bathroom decor mirrors for your home and even for Mother's Day. I think that this particular DIY will make a great Mother's Day gift. I'm using all products from my local Dollar Tree and we are going to bling out these mirrors and just create. I know you all see that I always have a little helper present. That's my baby girl. She's trying to assist me in this DIY on today. But pretty much everyone, I just want to let all you know that home decor is always simple. You don't have to go out and spend a whole lot of money. You can pretty much do a lot of your decor for your home from the Dollar Tree. Yes, the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree is a hidden gem where you can find nice items for only $1 that you can revamp, that you can add your own touch to, and you can make them look like high-end products. If you're new here, I am Tay of Uneatly Tae. Thank you so much for tuning into today's DIY. I do home decor, shopping videos, tablescapes, hauls, and much more. If you like videos like these, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will always know when I upload my latest video. These diamond and pearl strips that I got from Dollar Tree are already self-adhesive. If you like to apply hot glue, you can. My only thing is that while applying hot glue to this type of bling wrap, it kind of melts the plastic. But you know how I am, I like to repurpose a lot of my products. So I choose not to use hot glue so that I can change up the decor if I like. If I want to take the diamonds off or take the pearls off, I like to have that option. But you are able to use whatever glue that you like. It looks so good. It is perfect. I love how it turned out. So beautiful, so glam. All the right touches. I really enjoy creating this project. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you all in my next video.
Yourself